dear kids, how are you? I hope you all are doing very well. So kids, this is our revision video. So today we are going to revise our unit 3 from English literature, that is the animal kingdom. Okay, as you all know that we started this chapter last week. So today we will revise it so that you can know what all things have been completed. So let's get started. So animal kingdom. So animal kingdom. So in this unit we are going to learn that we don't need to fight over, or we should not fight over little things. Rather, we should think about that problem and we should find some solution. Okay, because if we fight with each other, then no one will get anything from that. But if we think and if we find some solution, then everything will be good for us. Okay, so this is what our unit, the animal kingdom, teaches us. So let's start with getting started activity. So in getting started activity, it has been asked that what are the two goats doing. So you have to look at the picture and then you have to tell that what these goats are doing. Okay, so as you can see that the goats are trying to cross the bridge. So here there is one narrow bridge and there is a river. Okay, and the two goats, they are trying to cross the bridge. So this is what we can see in our picture, in our getting started activity. Now we will see listening activity. Now in listening activity, so we have one poem, and so during class I recited the poem and you filled these blanks. So our poem is: in jumping and tumbling we spent the whole day, till night by arriving has finished our play. What then? One and all, there is no more to be said. As we tumbled all day, so we tumble to bed. Okay, so this is our poem. Now, in phonics, we have ng sound, the ng sound. So, whenever letters N and G are together, they give us sound that is ng. Okay, ng. See, bang, sang, fang, then sung, rung, lung, long, song, wrong, sing, king and wing. So see, these are some words that have the ang sound. Okay kids, so these are some words. Now then we have one textbook exercise. Not one, we have two textbook exercises. So our question number 1 is that we have to circle. See, you have to look at this picture and then you have to circle the appropriate, the correct word. Okay, like bling, then this is finger, this is sting. So we have circled sting. Then this is a picture of jungle. Then this is a picture of tango and this is a picture of sling. See, his hand is hurt. So that is sling. Okay kids, so this is our textbook exercise as well. Now we will see our language ladder portion. Okay, now in language ladder we have action words. What are action words kids? So action words are the words that shows us some actions or any work that we do. Okay. So action words are words which show actions, and they are called action words, like play, come, race, touch, win. Then we have some more action words, blow, then listen, eat, then sleep, drive, and read. These are some more action words, and action words are also known as doing words. Doing words or verbs. They are also known as doing words or verbs. Okay, so let us again revise action words. So action words are the words that show actions or any work that we do. Okay, so these are action words. Now we will revise our reading of the chapter. Okay, so now reading of the chapter. So in reading portion we have a story of two goats. So in this story, what we read? We read that the two goats were grazing on the opposite banks of a river. See in the picture you can see that there is a river and the two goats are on opposite banks of a river and they were grazing there. Okay, then there see in the picture you can see that there is a bridge. Okay, so both the goats wanted to cross the bridge. So this goat wanted to go this side and this goat wanted to go this side. So in this way both of them wanted to cross the bridge, but the bridge was narrow. But still two goats started walking on the bridge. Now bridge was so narrow that at a particular time or at a time only one goat would be able to cross the bridge. But still both of them started walking towards the bridge, and at the middle of the bridge both the goats met. Now what happens was, now they started arguing that I will go first. Then the other goat said, no, I want to go first. Okay, and in that way their argument turned into a fight. Okay, then they started fighting. See in this picture you can see that both of them started fighting. In this you can see that they met at the middle of the bridge and they were saying to each other that I will go first, and the other said no, I will go first. And then they started arguing, that is they started argument, and their argument turned into the fight, and they started fighting that I will go first, and the other said no, I will go first. Okay, and in that way then at the end they realized or they understood that this will not help us, that this would not help us, that we should not fight with each other, because if we fight with each other then nothing will happen. What might have happened? See, when they started fighting, it would have happened that one goat might fall into the river, or both of them would have fall into the river. Okay, so in this way that would have happened. So they stopped fighting, and then they realized, then they understood that they should not fight, but they should find some solution, they should find some answer, so that both of them can cross that bridge. Okay, so they found a simple solution. What they decided, that one goat will lay down or will sit down on the bridge, and the other goat will just walk over the first goat. Okay, so in that way both of them crossed the bridge and they reached at the other sides of the bank, that is bank of the river. So in this way, so they stopped fighting and they found a solution for their problem, and in that way so both of them were able to do what they wanted. Okay, so through this story, kids, we learn that we should never fight with each other if we have any problem. So if we have any problem, then first of all we should think about that problem and try to find some solution, try to find some answer for that how can we solve this problem without hurting each other, and also find a solution that can help both of us or the people who are involved in this. So in this way, that is what we learn from this story. Okay, kids, now we will do our understanding exercise. Okay, now in understanding, first we have fill in the blanks. So there were two goats on the opposite banks of a river. Then our B, that is second. They decided to cross the river. C, over the river there was a narrow dash, that is bridge. There was a narrow bridge. D, there was no space for them to cross each other. And E, the argument between the gods turned into a fight. Okay, so this is our fill in the blanks. Now we will revise, answer the following questions. That is our question answer portion. So A, what were the two gods doing on the banks of the river? So what were they doing? क्या कर रहे थे दोनों opposite side पे? Yes, they were grazing. So the two goats were grazing on the banks of the river. So here our question is about goats, two goats. So we will start our answer with two goats only. So the two goats, what were they doing? So were grazing. So were grazing, and from here our answer remains the same. That is on the banks of the river. So that is our question A. Now B. Why did they begin to fight? Begin means that is to start. Why did they start their fight? Yes, because both of them wanted to cross the river, that is cross the bridge. But there was no enough space that both of them could cross the bridge at the same time. So yes, both of them wanted to cross the bridge, but there was no space to cross each other. So they began to fight. Now see kids, here they is given. So by they mean two goats. Okay. So why did they, that is two goats, begin to fight? So that is because both of them wanted to cross the bridge, but there was no space for them so that they could cross each other. So that's why they started to fight, or they began to fight. Now see, what did the gods do to solve their problem? So what did they do to solve their problem? Yes, that is one goat lay down on the bridge and the other goat walked over it. Yes, so they found a simple solution to their problem. So they found simple solution, simple answer for their problem. That is one goat lay down on the bridge. एक गोट क्या थी, एक अपने ब्रिज वहां पर वो बैठ गई, and the other goat walked over it, और दूसरी गोट उसके ऊपर से चली गई to get the other side, so that कि वो दूसरी साइड पर जा सके. So this is how they solved their problem to cross the bridge. Okay kids, so this is our understanding exercise. Now we will see vocabulary portion. So kids, in vocabulary we have antonyms. Antonyms means what? What are antonyms? Yes, that means opposites, opposite words. Opposite words. So opposite का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Antonyms means what? See, antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. So antonyms are such words जिनके मीनिंग्स कैसे होते हैं? ऑपोजिट होते हैं, मतलब एक दूसरे से उल्टे होते हैं. सी, वाइड. सो ऑपोजिट ऑफ वाइड इज नैरो. देन लॉन्ग. Opposite of long is short. Now turn your page and we will see some more examples. Now rise, fall. Outside, inside. Sorry, in this you will not be able to see. That is inside, outside, inside. Then calm, angry, happy, sad. Then we also have textbook exercise. Here also some more antonyms are given. Sad, happy, heavy, light. Then fast. So the opposite of fast is slow, or the antonym of fast is slow. Then tall, tall, short, thin, fat. Antonym of thin is fat, and antonym of costly is cheap. So these are some more examples of antonyms. Then kids, after this we have practicing grammar exercise. So practicing grammar exercise is on our language later only. So that is action words, and we have already discussed what are action words. Okay. Now we will see our writing portion. Okay, so now in writing portion we have completing a story. So from this writing portion we learn how to complete a story. So ऐसी stories जो आपको already पता है, जो आपने सुनी हुई है. So in this story will be given, and मतलब story is given and some blanks are also given. And from the help of helping hand we have to complete this story. Okay kids? So this is our writing portion. So in this portion we have the same story as we read before, that is of two gods. And so with the help of helping hand we completed our writing portion, that is completing a story. So this is for today's revision video kids. So in this our poem portion is remaining. As in some divisions our poetry portion has also been completed, but in some sections I have already completed till writing portion. So in this video I will revise up to writing portion, that is completing a story at this portion only. Okay, so this is all about today. So bye bye kids.